In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Facebook ads that direct to WhatsApp. This guide promises to be not only informative but also practical, aiming to streamline the process and make it as straightforward as possible. Whether you're a marketer looking to enhance your campaign strategy or a small business owner aiming to boost your customer engagement through WhatsApp, this tutorial has got you covered. Let's begin by navigating to the Facebook Business Manager. This is the starting point for all your ad management needs on Facebook. It's a centralized hub where you can track your ads, manage your pages and accounts, and much more. If you're not already logged in, do so by clicking on Login with Facebook. You'll be prompted to enter your credentials and proceed. This step is crucial for ensuring that you have access to the accounts and tools necessary for creating your ad. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the lower left panel of the screen and click on Ads. This button will lead you to all your advertising activities and plans. From here, you'll want to access the Ads Manager, which is like the control room for your advertising campaigns. It's where all the magic happens, from creating new ads to tweaking the existing ones. In the Ads Manager, navigate to the Campaign section. This area allows you to see all your campaigns currently in operation, paused, or in the planning stages. It's essential to select this before proceeding, as it will define the scope of where your advertisement will be shown. Next, move on to click on Ad Sets within the Campaign section. Think of ad sets as containers that hold your ads. They help you organize your ads by themes, target audiences, or the objectives you're aiming to achieve. This organization is critical for maintaining clarity and focus in your campaign. Now, for the crucial part, click on Edit on the specific ad set you wish to adjust or for which you're planning to create a new ad. This action will open up a plethora of settings and options for your ad, allowing you to fine-tune the specifics like target audience, budget, schedule, and more. Here's where it gets interesting. You need to select WhatsApp as the destination for your ad. This option enables your ad to direct users straight to WhatsApp after they click on it, allowing for a seamless transition from ad to interaction. This is a powerful feature for businesses aiming to increase engagement, offer support, or directly communicate with their customers. However, there's an important note to be mindful of before proceeding. Ensure that your Facebook page is connected to a WhatsApp business account. This step is foundational because without this integration, your ads won't be able to redirect to WhatsApp. The WhatsApp business account offers numerous features designed for businesses, including automated messages, business profiles, and the ability to create a catalog of products or services. It's designed to enhance customer interaction and make business operations smoother on WhatsApp. As we wrap up this guide, let's recap the simplicity yet effectiveness of running Facebook ads that link directly to WhatsApp. Start by logging into Facebook Business Manager, locate the Ads section, and access the Ads Manager. From there, navigate to your campaigns, select the ad sets you wish to edit, and choose WhatsApp as your desired ad destination. Always remember, linking your Facebook page to a WhatsApp business account is key to making these ads work. By following these steps, you can create a direct line of communication with your audience, personalize customer interactions, and potentially increase conversion rates through the powerful combination of Facebook ads and WhatsApp. And there you have it. You're now equipped to run Facebook ads that direct to WhatsApp, enhancing your digital marketing strategy and opening up new avenues for customer engagement. Happy advertising, and here's to your success.